Welcome to lesson 5 of module 6. Today our learning goal is I can identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number within 100. Today we're going to add and subtract 1 or 10 to a given number, and we're going to use place value charts to do it. All you need today is your Tuesday pages from your packet and a pencil. So let's start by drawing 62 using a quick 10 drawing. I'm going to draw 62, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. According to my picture, how many 10s and 1s are in 62? Think, think, think. How many 10s are in 62? Get ready. Yes, 6 10s. How many 1s are in 62? Get ready. Yes, 2 1s. 6 10s, 2 1s is the same as 62. Now I want to add 1 more than 62. If I add 1 more than 62, I can just count on 1 time from 62. Get 62 going and count on 1 time. 62, 63. The only number that changed was my 1's digit. I added 1 to the 1's place to make 62 into 63. What didn't change? We know that the 1's place changed. What stayed the same? Get ready. The 10's place. The 10's place did not change because we were only adding 1. We did not change the 10's place. Now I want to show 62 again. This time, I'm going to add 10 to 62. So if I add another 10 to this drawing, now I have 7 10s and 2 1s. So what is more than 60? What is 10 more than 62? Get ready. Yes, 72. The only digit that changed this time was the 10's digit because I added a 10. The 1's digit did not change because I didn't add any 1's. I only added a 10, so the only digit that changed was the 10's digit. Let's do another one. I'm going to draw 87 using a quick 10 drawing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So right now I have 8 10s and 7 1s. How can I add 1 more? Oops. How can I add 1 more to 87? If I add 1 more 1 to the side, now I have 87 plus 1 more. Let's count on 1 time from 87 to find out our answer. Get 87 going. 87, 88. Now I have 8 10s and 8 1s. I just added 1 to 87 to get 88. So the only digit that changed was my 1's digit. The 10's digit did not change because we didn't add any 10s. And by adding 1, it didn't make a new 10. So I didn't need to change my 10's digit at all. But what if I add 10 to 87? So now I don't want this extra 1. I want an extra 10. Now I have 9 10s and 7 1s. I still have 7 1s, so that digit did not change. But the 10's digit changed because I added 1 10. So the 8 became a 9. 8 10s became 9 10s. 87 plus 10 equals 97. Let's do another one. I'm going to draw 77 using a quick 10 drawing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. How many tens are in 77? How many tens? Get ready. Yes, 7. How many ones are in 77? Get ready. Yes, 7. So right now I have 7 tens and 7 ones. Now I want to take away 1 from 77. I want to show 1 less. If I hear the word less, I mean minus. I want to take away 1 from 77. If I take away one of these ones, now I have 7 tens still, but now how many ones do I have? Get ready. Yes, 6 ones. So 77 minus 1 equals 76. What did and did not change? Did the tens digit change? No. Did the ones digit change? Yes. The 7 minus 1 became 6. We took away 1 from the 7 and it became a 6. Let's try it again. I'm going to show 77 with my drawing. This time, I want to take away 10. Remember, when we take away a 10 and I don't want to erase it, I'm just going to cross it out. Excuse me. Now, how many 10s do you see? 6 10s. Good job. How many ones do you see? Did the ones number change? No, the ones number did not change. The only digit that changed was the tens digit. I had 7 tens and I took one of the tens away. Now I only have 6 tens left. I had 7 tens. I took one of the tens away. Now I have 6 tens left. So 77 minus 10 equals 67. Let's do another one. I'm going to draw 90 using a quick 10 drawing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many tens are in 90? Get ready. Yes, 9 tens. Are there any extra ones on the side? No. So what number goes in my ones place? Get ready. Yes, 0. I don't have any extra ones on the side, so a 0 goes in my ones place. Now I want to take away 1 from 90. This could get tricky because I don't have any extra ones. So that means I need to break up one of these 10s into 10 ones. Now I have 10 ones. This 10 became our 10 ones. I want to take away one of those ones. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens and 9 ones. So 90 minus 1 equals 89. What changed? What place changed? Did the tens place change? The tens place changed because we started at a 10, 90 is a 10, and we had to take 1 away, so we had to drop down to the next lowest 10. So I had 9 tens, then remember I had to break 1 up to make 10 ones, so now I only have 8 tens left. Did the ones place change? So this number, minus 1, both of my digits changed. I had 90, I took 1 away from 90, and then I have 89 left. Another way I could solve this in my head, if I have 90 and go backwards 1 time, I know that 90 minus 1 equals 89. Okay, let's do this again. I'm going to redo my drawing. I want to make sure that I have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. This time I want to take away a 10. Remember, when I take away a 10, I just cross it out. So now, how many 10s do I have left? Get ready. Yes, 8 10s. How many ones do I have? 0. I have no ones left over. So what changed? If I had 90 minus 10 and it became 80, The only number that changed was my tens number. The ones number stayed the same because we had 0 ones both times. But 9 tens minus 1 10 equals 8 tens. Okay, so now going through the problem set, the instructions for number 1 say solve. You may draw or cross off to show your work. So the only time you're going to draw more is if you see the word more. The only time you're going to cross off is when you see the word less, because more means plus. Less means minus. So I want to draw more if I'm adding, and I want to take away and cross off if there's less. Let's do A and C together. So 1 more than 68 is, if I want 1 more, I'm going to draw 1 more, not a 10, I just want a 1 more. So 1 more than 68 is 68, 69, good. Now let's do C, because this is a less problem. So now I want 10 less than 71. If I want 10 less, am I going to cross off this 1? No, leave the 1 there. I want to cross off the whole 10. So cross off a 10. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. Great job. 10 less than 71 is 61. For number 2, you're going to find the mystery number and use the arrow way to explain how you know. The arrow way will look like this. If it says 10 more, draw your arrow and add 10. 1 less than 59. 1 less. Less means minus. Your first number is going to be 59 minus 1, and write the answer in the next place value chart. 1 more than 59. Draw your arrow. Plus 1. 59 is your first number, plus 1, and write the answer in the next place value chart. 10 less than 59, draw your arrow. Minus 10, because you see the word less. 59 is your first number. 59 minus 10, and write your answer in the place value chart. Make sure you're also writing your answer in the blanks at the top. Number 3, 4, 5, and 6, follow the instructions and write the number that is either 1 more or 10 more, 1 less or 10 less. So for example, 1 more than 10 is 11. 10 more than 10 is 20. 1 less than 12 is 11. You go backwards 1, 12, 11. And 10 less than 20, if you have 20 and take away a 10, now you just have 1 10, which is the same as 10. Number 7, fill in the missing numbers in each sequence. So you have 40, 41, 42, and fill in the numbers. Okay, if there's a missing number in the middle, make sure you're looking, is it going backwards or is it going forwards when you're counting? And just fill in the blanks. And then stop. This is your end of lesson 5. Please complete the pages in the packet for lesson 5. Come to my office hours Tuesday, Thursday from 8:30 to 9:30 in the morning. We're going to go through this lesson and we'll work on it together. If you have any questions, send me a message on Remind or come to my office hours. Bye, y'all. Have a good day.